Hello kids, in this video we will learn 2D shapes and color name. This is black color. Kids, which color it is? It is black color. This is 4-pointed star. Parallelogram. Oval. Heart. Right angle triangle. This is cylinder. Now we will color the shapes. This is golden color. Orange color. Purple. Sky blue. Violet color. Red color. Four-pointed star. Parallelogram. Oval. Oval has no sides. Heart. Heart is a shape. Right angle triangle in which one angle is 90 degrees. This is cylinder. This is a 3D shape and having 3 surfaces. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.